Greetings, folks. Okay, so this morning's question is what's the effects of marijuana on meditation practice? All right, so the only people I've ever failed with to increase sensitivity with building the ball and developing energy awareness is people who smoke marijuana. They're the only failures. Uh, when a person smokes a lot of marijuana, they get an energetic coating, like a dark brown green gunk around their energy field, and this basically suppresses their sensitivity. It holds the spirit in, keeps them in a state of paranoia and delusion. So, a joke that's going around is, how much marijuana do you have to smoke before you think the Earth is flat? And it's a thing. The truth filters switch off. Your ability to discern truth, to know truth, to filter it, it reduces. And this reduction in your ability to discern truth hampers your ability to develop spiritually. Because true spiritual development requires you to question everything, believe nothing, get to the heart of lawfulness of why we perceive reality the way we do, and work from there. That's not possible if a person's smoking marijuana. And every drug has a different effect on the energy system. So if you use any so-called spiritual drugs, as people call them, spiritual medicines, I've never seen any of them actually pay off. Almost all of them switch off the truth filters, make a person less able to intellectually understand what they're doing and metabolize what they're doing spiritually. So there's these elements of blind faith that occur, that you just simply read something, encounter something, and believe it when you're under the influence of these drugs. And blind faith is your biggest enemy to spiritual growth. Even if what you're perceiving and what you're experiencing, what you're reading is actually true, it's not true to the person who's reading it, because they are filtering it through a corrupted ego. They're filtering it through a very, very limited mental, emotional space that can't see truth. So you've always got to be defabricating the form, going to the principles, going to looking at things from a lawful universal base to get to the heart of truth. And that's just not possible when a person's under the influence of a drug like marijuana or any of the others that are out there. Okay, so I hope this helps with answering that question, and see you guys in the next video.